Sorry.
What are you doing? I don't know the new come and pack them out from this place. They're not supposed to be here, please. Just put them somewhere. Muna, so what is it? Is Muna Chimso okay? Muna Chimso, have you had your dinner? You okay like this? You want to eat noodles? You want to eat? Chimrebe is eating. But you're eating it now. You're eating. Oh, that. It's not lawful. Don't tell them what happened. Yay!
Mommy, what's this? What's this?
This is people should come and take the kilishi.
Why is the AC not on? Didn't you on the AC? No, just on it.
On it, you should be fine.
Yeah.
This place is a little. What's this one? This one is you can hold this one, boy.
That one is heater.
Muna Chimso, give me. Let's make noodles at least. Do we still have egg? Yes. Let's go and make food. I beg. I want to eat noodles.
Is it my noodles?
Muna Chimso. Please come and take this food away first. I don't like these things.
You, Father.
I will just have it here. Chicos, they said they want the fish.
Thank you.
Piano no. It smells fine, but this one is small though. This one is small, very small for 2,000. I didn't even see it when he was opening it.
That's all I have kilishi.
Chigozie.
Mommy, why does kilishi have design?
Design is not design.
You want it then?
What's that queen? If my do you want? It's actually not that spicy.
I want it. It's just it's not that spicy.
Okay.
I need water if I do need it in case. Because I don't know. I need water. Yes.
I know it's not the place of that. Maybe will you eat?
No.
Are you sure?
I'll eat just little.
When I do the you eat right? It's pepper.
That's my own.
You're only you eat. See your bread. This one is bread.
What's that? What happened there?
Is that chinchi we came back from the airport?
Please, somebody should come and pack it, please.
Chemeka body here. On the shoot.
Look at this place. The whole of this place. You here as well. What's that, baby?
I need to get three to just remove it from that place. In this economy, we ended up not using our own. Are the too spicy? Where is three? is good because we did the reverse. What's that called again?
Reverse osmosis.
The reverse osmosis, and our water is very, very good now. So this is the Ogu. My sister came from village with this Ogu. My brother gave me more this, but you can see. I think we can still use some of it. It's just some are dry and oh my goodness, this whole place is a mess.
No, it's not good anymore.
It's not good, right? You
Yeah.
buy fresh one.
Yeah, buy fresh one.
You just let you of this place like. So this will go to the bin since we didn't use it. Over here, maybe.
Thank you, Chigozie, for tidying up that place.
I think I'll end up making this for just more than you. Since every other person I've eaten. It's really. I don't know. More gave me a little bit, but I know that I won't eat that much. As I bought one of these for 4,000, that's around £2 for one. 4,000 plus for one, right? Maybe 4,000. So around £2, almost £2 for one.
Everything is expensive in this country.
Yeah. Okay. Let's make this. Okay, we gotta wait. Maybe they will come and finish it up. I'm not coming back again. Come and give it to Shema. Oh, why are you doing